So YouTube, it's Road Kink BMX, and this is my new bike check. So for grips, I have the ODI long necks in cyan blue with ODI barons. I cut off the flanges. I got Kink Midtown bars with the dance comp sticker on them. I got the Odyssey monolever trigger. Got an Animal Illegal brake cord. For stem, I have the Redline hollow point stem. Freaking love it. I've got a Kink frame with Kink Volt forks. I've got a DK hub laced to a alienation rim, and coming back here I have the Mission Transit cranks, and got Odyssey PC twisted pedals in clear. I've got a Eastern Medusa sprocket 25 tooth. I've got a mechanic chain in blue half link, and got a Shadow Conspiracy Alfred seat clamp. I've got a Haro pivotal seat with some random post, and I've got two scavenger stickers on my frame, one on the other side too. I've got Mission Function hub laced to a Mission rim. I got a Fit Bike tire, Fit FAF in Tanwell, and my front tire, which is also a Fit tire. It says 2.25 on it, but it's actually 2.3. Fit actually made a mistake, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and peace.